What's up YouTube, it's your boy Just Plays Kicks By, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing another restoration, and a full restoration at that, because you know, I don't think I've really done like a full in-depth restoration, but this one definitely is going to need it. So what we're going to be doing and working on is a pair of fire red 4s, and what year are these from? These are from... looks like 2012. Yeah, 2012. These from 2012. But as you can see, these are beat. Yeah, but as you can see, these shoes are definitely destroyed. This one looks definitely worse. You could probably see a little more. But yeah, so we're going to be working on these today, and basically what we're gonna have to do is clean them, of course. Looks like, and I knew my friend said that someone tried to put Sharpie on these, so I'm gonna definitely have to work on getting that up. But we're gonna clean these first. We're gonna then strip away the midsole paint that's here and the upper paint, because we have to paint the uppers. We're gonna remove the creases because these creases are looking horrible. So after we get the creases out, we're gonna basically get everything good. The laces are actually good, so we probably won't even need new laces just to clean them up. But let's get started. Alright y'all, so we now have finished the restoration on these fire red 4s from 2012, and as you know, they used to look beat and just horrible like these, and now we got them back looking right. Got the creases out of the shoe, out the toe box, and this shoe is now looking real nice. So bottoms are good, repaint is real nice, finisher on there is good. Back to a good, basically they're good look. So what we're gonna do now is I'm actually gonna go outside, just give you like that, that last B-roll shot of the restoration, and that's gonna be it. But I want you guys to know to go follow my Instagram down here, because most of my stuff that you guys see, Instagram sees it before y'all, before YouTube. So keep updated on Instagram for sure. But hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.